What biology is? Friends, biology is actually made up of two Greek words. One is bio and the other is logos. Bio means life and logos means study. So its definition becomes study of life. That is, the study of living organisms is called biology. We can also say that it is the study of living organisms. That is, the study of living creatures is called biology. Friends, you know what living organisms are, like plants, animals, fungi, algae. These are all living organisms. But still, I will explain a small difference between living and non-living. So let's start with the difference. Friends, living organisms can move. That is, they can move from one place to another, but non-living things cannot move. The second point is growth. That is, living organisms grow in size and shape, but non-living things do not grow. The third thing in living organisms is chemical reactions. They have anabolic, metabolic, and catabolic reactions. Many types of chemical reactions occur in living organisms. But in non-living things, there are no chemical reactions. Next, living organisms have food. They have nutrition. But non-living things do not have nutrition, meaning they do not eat or consume anything. The last thing in living organisms is reproduction, meaning living organisms can reproduce and make other organisms like them, whereas non-living things do not have any reproduction. Friends, the study of living organisms, that is biology, is divided into two main branches. One is zoology and the other is botany. Friends, the first one is botany. We call it the study of plants. That is, this branch of biology is where we study plants. The second one is zoology. Zoo means animals. So the study of animals is called zoology. Question of the day: what is the basic unit of life? Only a genius can answer in the comments below. If you would like to watch my other lectures on topics like the lungs, kidneys, liver, brain and eyes, visit my channel to view my other videos.